Hey guys, what's up? This is Carly. It is Valentine's Day, so I'm super excited. I won a Galentine's giveaway from one of my favorite Instagrammers, North to South Girl. Go check her out. Like, her Instagram feed is amazing. She is like Target guru, so she has like all the fashion finds, and she has a beautiful home, and she shares different like home. She's done a different cooking things. She's just for real. Go check her out. I was super excited. I entered this giveaway. I know that people are kind of skeptical of those giveaways on Instagram when it's like follow and share. So this just shows like you can win. I'm like super excited to open it and unbox it. I do know what's in there, but I'm still super excited because I haven't put my hands on it. So I want you guys to unbox it with me. So, all right, let's go. Da, da, da. Don't be fooled. It is not Walmart. It's better than Walmart. Oh my goodness. Okay. Very like so excited. I'm gonna have to like hold this up. We've been trying to find somewhere to film this. Whoa. So I won this. She announced it on Sunday. And then shipped it out like immediately. Like I got it it was like 2 days I got it. But I did save it. Today actually is Valentine's Day. Like today is Valentine's Day. I'm actually recording this and I don't think I'm going to put much edits to it, but I am going to post it up. So we'll be posting it on Instagram, and I'm going to be doing it'll be featured in one of my YouTube videos too, as well as my like Valentine's Day thing. Anyway, so I saved it for today because it was an actual like Galentine's, you know, and I don't have a Valentine's, so this is like making me super excited because it's like a gift. This is so awesome. So once again, thank you to North South Girl. North to South Girl. That's her handle on Instagram. North to T-O South. And then I'll also tag it and I'll insert it here. And then I've also tagged her in my Instagram story, so you can go check it out there as well. So thank you to you. You were so sweet. You were so kind. You were totally making my day. Tomorrow's also my birthday, so this is like super freaking awesome. I promise I'm going to get into this box before my birthday. Are y'all super excited? So cute. I knew it would be. So what do y'all want to start with? Y'all want to start off with the big thing, or like, okay, this was the thing this was it. Ah! Oh my god, I'm so excited, y'all. Look. Do you know what it is? Look what it is. Don't pay attention to my nails. I was like, I didn't do my nails. Oh my goodness. Check this out, guys. Check this out. So excited. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's bigger than I thought. It's so cute. Oh, I love it. Okay, are y'all ready? Gucci man, Gucci man, Gucci man. It is a Gucci dupe, but it is super freaking cute. Oh my god, I love it. Like, I have to get these shoes, the ones that have this on there, the white. Totally gonna find some on Poshmark. Oh my god, I love it. Thank have no idea. Like, for real, y'all, I won this. Come on. Like, happy Valentine's Day to me. Oh my gosh. Like, seriously? I love it. Thank you so much. Like, for real. Like, thank you. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, like, so cute. Alright, so here it opens. Is it open? Oh, you have to push the thing in. I was gonna say, yeah, look, I'm gonna break it already. Oh, it's so nice. So beautiful. Oh, that's cute. Oh, look. Oh, yes. So wearing it like that. Okay, so there's other stuff in there. Oh, come back, guys. There's other stuff in here too. Ooh, some chocolate. Oh my gosh, yum. I have y'all propped up in the box. That's why we're kind of bumpy. Ooh, yes. Don't fall. Oh my goodness. Oh, how cute. Oh, what is, oh, look. Oh, this is adorable. It's like a little Valentine's, like a little gnome. And it's pink. Oh my goodness. It's so cute. Oh, how sweet. Oh my God, you are such a great person. You're so nice. This is so awesome. Guys, this is so fun. This is like adult Christmas over here. Where are my scissors? There is one more thing. Oh, how pretty. Look, it's a candle. Oh, guys, this is so cool. Oh, it smells so good. I'm about to burn this. Oh, yum. Oh my gosh. Like, really, that is so sweet. Oh, honey, you're so nice. Oh my gosh, guys. For real. Happy Valentine's Day to me.